Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with a 5-minute tutorial on how to tint your eyebrows using henna in 15 minutes. So stay tuned and you'll see how I go from this to this. If you like what you see, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, what you're gonna need is an angled brush. You're gonna need your henna. You're gonna need 70% alcohol and some warm water. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this bag and you're gonna put your henna in there, take your angled brush, dip it in the warm water, and transfer that same warm water into the plastic bag. Okay? So, once you do that, you're moistening it up to try to get it, movable so you can put it on your brows. So once you get it on, you slowly draw in your brows with the angled brush the same exact way you would any other time, same with the colored pencil. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm filling my brows in with the angled brush using the black henna. And I'm slowly just building it up. I like to move the ends of my eyebrows, like, right in front of my nose, closer in, because my eyebrows are super sparse, as you can see. So I like to move it in. So I build up from the wing. So I'll go from the bottom, and I'll do my arch and go all the way out to the wing, and then I'll build up from there. Building. You don't have to go fast. You can take your time with this because no one's perfect at eyebrows. So you just take your time and you just build it up using the angled brush, and you dip it in the henna as much as you need to get the thickness or the darkness that you would like. Remember, the more henna you put on, the darker it gets. So you just do a slow build. And I'm sorry if I'm out of focus. I didn't realize that my mirror was so close to the camera, so every time I lean forward, it gets a little out of focus. So please forgive me for that. And as you see, I'm going back and forth, trying to perfect my eyebrows. They always say eyebrows are sisters and not twins, but there are twin sisters, so we try our best, right? So yeah, as you can see, I'm filling in my brows to the best of my ability, because unfortunately my brows are different every day. But that's why we're doing the henna. We're tattooing our brows. It's going to be a temporary tattoo that fades over time. You probably have to do this every 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah. I'm going back in, filling in anything that I see that's too thin or not thick enough. Oh, now I made a mistake. You see that? See that mistake right there? So that's where the alcohol comes in. You'll get the alcohol, you'll dip it, and then you'll take the corner and you'll just wipe it away. It wipes completely off. You just clean that up. See that? Then I noticed the wing wasn't as sharp as I wanted to, so I cleaned that up there too. So remember, guys, you have to start this with a clean face. I like to exfoliate first, just so that I know everything is gone, but you have to start with a clean face, or instead the henna will stick to your makeup instead of your skin. And we don't want that. We want it sticking straight to your skin. Okay, so I'm going back in, doing any final touch-ups, looking at myself in the mirror, making sure, just kind of double checking. Move my eyebrows around, see if they look weird. Yeah, and that's about it. You double check, I'm telling you, I don't see a problem with making it as thick as you can. And then you have to let this sit on your brows for 10 minutes. So that's me setting my alarm for 10 minutes from starting it. There we go. So now we wait. So now we're back, and now we're gonna take our warm water and we're gonna dip our tissue in the water, okay? And then we're gonna slowly and gently, you don't wanna be vigorous with it, but gently remove the excess tint, the excess henna. The reason I say slowly, because like I said, it fades over time. So you don't want to be very rough with it right away, because you might take too much off, and you don't want that. You want to actually have brows when you're done. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to slowly and gently remove the henna. Now there are two colors available. You have henna in black and you have henna in instant red. People who are more lighter toned might want to use the red. I don't like how red it is on my skin, so that's why I prefer the black, and since it fades over time, I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'm pretty cool with that one. So now moving on to the next brow. I'm going to slowly and gently remove that henna. I'm taking my time, removing it. It looks like it's a little rough, but you can see that the henna is coming off. You have to kind of be careful, because once it starts to get wet, it does move. So you don't want it to stain your skin or your nails. Oh, you see my forehead? Ugh, I was getting it everywhere. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is not a perfect process. I'm learning, just like everybody else. Everything doesn't go perfect right away. I guess you could have used a washcloth. Maybe that would have helped. But yeah, now we're done. Look at that. Beautiful brows. All right, guys, so here is my before shot of my eyebrows. And there's the final. There we go. So if you like what you see, don't forget to come back and see what videos I have. And the way you do that is subscribe.